Did you know that just 3 Linux commands can help you navigate your entire Linux system? If you're a beginner, this is the perfect place to start. In this video, you'll learn PowDD, ls, and cd with real practical examples. Let's get started. The PowDD command stands for print working directory. It displays the full path of your current working directory. Whenever you are unsure where you are in the terminal, simply type PowDD. Now I'm inside the root directory, and pwd confirms my current location. The ls command lists all files and directories in the current location. The del option displays detailed information such as permissions, owner, size, and modification date. The option also shows hidden files that start with a dot. The cd command means change directory. It allows you to move from one directory to another. Running cd without any arguments takes you directly back to your home directory, and using cd takes you directly to the root directory. Imagine you're working on a DevOps project with hundreds of files and folders. Before creating new files, copying data, or deleting anything, you'll first navigate to the correct location using cd, verify your location with PowDD, and check the available files using ls. These 3 commands are the foundation of working efficiently in Linux. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to DevOps with Shajeel. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to create directories and files using the mkdir and touch commands. Thanks for watching.